embracing the spirit of being a global company with an Indian heart. Energy Mission Machineries India Limited continues on its road to advancement. We evolve in response to this idea, utilizing cutting-edge technology to broaden our horizons, with a range that includes CNC press brakes, tandem CNC press brakes, NC front cylinder press brakes, NC or hydraulic rocker arm press brakes, CNC and hydraulic shear, 4-roll CNC plate roller, 3-roll double pinch plate roller, 3-roll hydromechanical and mechanical plate rollers, deep drawing presses, CNH frame hydraulic presses, servo hydraulic presses, CNC V grooving machine, hydraulic iron worker and hydraulic bus bar machine. We cater to an elite clientele. Situated in Sanand, Ahmedabad, our building exemplifies the merging of global standards with Indian dedication, encompassing an astonishing 20,000 square meter under one roof. Our yearly production capacity of over 1,000 machines is powered by a workforce of over 300 qualified professionals, personifies the synthesis of global quality with Indian devotion. The essence of our ideology is embodied by our cutting-edge manufacturing hub. Within it, cutting-edge CNC machineries, all mother machineries info, precision equipment, and a CNC machine shop outfitted with modern tools assure superior quality output, representing our global perspective based in Indian workmanship. With rigorous stage-wise QC inspections, we carry out best industry practices. Since our start in 1999, we have won global confidence via our unwavering pursuit of excellence, and today we have dedicated sales and service team in 13 different places. We constantly offer components that exceed international standards, a tribute to our commitment to quality rooted in our global vision, with over 5,000 installations worldwide. Today, with subsidiaries in US and UAE, our worldwide goal is supported by an innovative and collaborative culture that attracts top-tier talent. We take pride to serve with motto of Made in India, made for the world. Energy Mission delivers technical solutions as a trusted partner to major government sectors like ISRO, DRDO, DARC, TRL, Indian Railways, corporate giants like Tata, Aditya Birla Group, Mahindra, Toyota, etc., and foreign giants like CERN, Haddad Steel, MBS, and many more. Our dedication to societal and national duties continues unwavering, having been recognized as excellent entrepreneurs by the Government of India and received honors from MSME in 2008 and 9 and 2014 and 15. As we move forward, we are now going for a public listing along with the determination to make a meaningful contribution to society and our nation. We are Energy Mission Machineries India Limited.